Now this is probably one of the fastest sketch I've done, and I've done this portrait of this lady. I know she's a great singer and she's a friend of mine, and as you can see now I'm drawing her forehead. Since it's a lady, I'm not going to put a lot of details because it will make her look old or make her look like has wrinkles, which is not true. She has smooth skin. As you can see now, I'm doing the second eye, and you can see the whole process. Hopeful as an artist you might learn something there. As I put the highlight there using monozero and electric. This video is a good guide for the one who wish to see how it is like to draw a full portrait of a person, changing the angles so as to make you see what is going on. Utilize the same tools. For now I'm going for the nose. She has this kind of a base thing on her cheek, as you can see. Now the lips, as you can see, I'm putting the outline first, then shading later. I'm doing this with the Fabercastel Pitt matte pencil. As you can see, the upper lips has some shadings and the details of those small lines. Protecting the drawing using that thin film, transparent thin film. It's good because it shows the drawing while protecting it from my skin. Yes, now I'm continuing with putting more details using the highlights and all that, and I think the light is bouncing and affecting our drawing later. Let me put it off so that you can see better. Yeah, now you can see better. I've decided to shut down one of the lighting so that you can see it well. I'm using the charcoal powder made from General. It's one of the smoothest and good for layering a skin. General SA charcoal powder. This one is a powder from itself, not from a charcoal or compressed. It is not made through the block. You can see the face is now going to be complete sooner. Let me change the angle so that you can see better as I draw the lips. I put the lines earlier, so now after putting the shadings, I'm only reinforcing the details and putting the highlights using the monozero, and finally with electric eraser for the hard or sharp highlights. I'm also using all tools that can make it look smoother and realistic. I like this how it's turning out. If you're enjoying too, putting some details of shadings that I didn't put earlier. As you can see, this drawing is going well. Yes, you have to make sure each and every detail that is there should be there. Maybe sometimes I use the white charcoal. I have to put the final touches of everything on her face so that it looks great. As you can see now, putting some highlights on her skin, which I left off around the eyes. I also reinforced the eyelids, the eyelashes, the shadings below and all that. You have to do all the final touches in accordance to your reference photo. just going over the process over and over again. Now I'm doing the claw testing, still using the powder. As you can see, I love the texture of this drawing, even though it was challenging to put everything into place so that later they could come and interconnect well, but I had to. I enjoyed each and every process of doing this out. Now the neck, start with the dark places. I like to work from dark to light because it establishes the darkest parts of the drawing, which can make me easily infer to the middle tones. Putting some details of the clothing in accordance to the reference. There's some fabrics that we are going and pair with the textures. As you can see now, the cloth is looking very realistic, just like this drawing. Changing the angle now, I'm doing the final touches. I think it's time for review. Just clean up the background so that the drawing will pop up. Cleaning up starts right now. The drawing on your A3 is now looking good. Moving the lasers particles using this tool. Now